Let's have a look at the fifth part of it. Now in this case tan x is given as minus 5 by 12 and it is given that x would be lying in the second quadrant. So you can easily find out the value for cot x. Cot x would be the reciprocal of tan x value. So here the reciprocal value of this would be minus 12 by 5. That's cot x. Now you can easily find out the value for secant. Secant कैसे find out करोगे? With the help of the secant square x identity, which is equivalent to 1 plus tan square x. So I would have 1 here. Tan x is there, which is minus 5 by 12 whole square. So you would have 1 plus 25 and 12 square is 144. Now taking the LCM कैसे लोगे? 144 would be there. 1 को 144 से multiply करोगे and the other term is 25. So you would have 169 over 144. So we can easily find out the value for secant. If you would take square to the other side, it would become root. So secant x value would be either positive and negative 13 by 12. Secant x in this case would be positive and negative 13 by 12, and secant x would be negative in this situation. Why it would be negative? Only because x is lying in the second quadrant, and if x is in the second quadrant, secant x value would be negative 13 by 12. So if I have the value as minus 13 by 12, secant x is minus 13 by 12 in this situation. Cos x, how would you find cos x? That would be the reciprocal of 1 by secant x. So here in this situation it would become minus 12 by 13. That's minus 12 by 13, and we can easily find out the value for sine. Sine square x, you can do it, and sine square x is 1 minus cos square x. 1 as it is, cos x value would be minus 12 by 13 whole square. 1 is there, minus is there, 144 is there, 169 is there. I could have value as 169 minus 144 divided by 169. So you would have sin x as, taking square to the other side, you would have sin x value as two values. It would be plus minus 5, and in division you would have 13. It would be plus minus 5 over 13. But as you can see, it is in second quadrant and sin x is positive. Sin x is positive, that means it would be positive 5 by 13. And finally we can find the value for cosec x, because that's a reciprocal of sin x. So I would have 1 over 5 over 13. So it would become 13 by 5 as cosec x.